Well, it is that time of year again, time for kids to hit the books. But for some kids, back to school means back pain just because they don't have the correct kind of backpack or they're wearing it wrong or there's too much stuff in it. Dr. Karena Wu is a physical therapist here in Manhattan. She's here today to separate the good from the bad. Nice to see you again, Karena.
Thanks for having me.
Thank you. It's always good to point this out as we get back to the school year. Starts in a couple of weeks. Parents are out shopping for backpacks. And, you know, it's not just what parents are shopping for. It's how kids wear the backpacks once they get them home that's an issue.
Yes.
Once they get to school, right?
Yes.
And the weight.
So wearing the backpack is important. Picking the right backpack is important. So, you know, the younger kids they're dead set on what they want when it comes to like Frozen or something stylish that's more cool than this, you know, kind of dorky one. But function's really important. So when you're looking for a backpack, you want something that's lightweight but sturdy with a good durable material. Synthetic is okay, it's cute, it's fashionable, but not necessarily the best. You also want wide contoured straps that are padded. You would like a back pad that is padded so that things don't poke you from the back side, right? If you have chest straps or waist straps, those are also great. Multiple pockets.
Multiple pockets, although they seem to stuff everything into the middle.
Of weight, exactly. Because if you put everything in the center and if you put two heavy things towards the back of the pack, it's really going to pull down this way and it pulls on the child and their flexible spines. So kids are much more flexible. They can get away with that bad posture.
For now.
For now. But it's not ideal, so we want to train them earlier.
All right, well, let's see how we've trained young Duncan here. Young Duncan, how are you? What grade are you going into?
I'm going to junior year.
Oh, junior year, congratulations to you. Almost done, and one more to go. So Duncan here is wearing a pretty heavy backpack. Oh, Junk, what you got in there, buddy?
I just have my books and pencils and just normal school supplies.
This is the normal school supply, and I would say this weighs, that's not too bad. That's probably about 8 pounds, right? Yeah. Which is for his weight. Generally, it's 10% of the child's weight, right?
10 to 15% maximum of the weight of the child.
Okay, but once you put your laptop in there, your lunch, right now you just got a couple light things because school hasn't started yet, right? Don't try to play me. So, but what Duncan's doing right here is he doesn't have a lot of stuff in his backpack. What's he doing wrong?
What he is doing wrong is wearing one strap because a backpack is built with two straps. So it is meant to sit as a pack on your back, correct? So this is the way that we do it when we're a little bit lazy and we're rushing.
Well, no, it's cool, right, Duncan?
Cool, but then
I'm not lazy, I'm just cool.
Smarter about your health, you want to put two straps on. You also want to make sure that the straps are a little bit more snug so that the pack is sitting more on their torso. Because if it's pulling down, you see how it's pulling him down? It is creating a curvature in his spine, which could lead to neck, mid-back, low back pain, shoulder pain, headache, fatigue, anything like that. These muscles are now straining to pull his head back in space.
Yeah, I see that. There you go. If you straighten up, has there been any evidence that this can cause permanent damage to a kid's spine? So we're talking scoliosis, curvature of the spine, anything like that?
Scoliosis is that sideways bend, so not necessarily. You can get functional scoliosis.
You do this, though, right?
But yes, if you posture too long like this, yes, you will get stuck like that. So children are flexible. They're developing. Their growth plates haven't sealed yet.
Right.
So you can correct that. So it's just better to start with good instruction from the get-go.
Okay, we appreciate that. We appreciate that, Duncan. Sorry to take away your cool factor, bro. But you know, you're still smart and cool are good combination. All right, let's see what's happening in the fashion world when it comes to backpacks. We've got Christopher here and Bella. Hi, come on in, guys. Hi, what's happening?
So these
not much, I guess. Huh? It's early for them.
It's a little early for them.
They've got the fashion backpacks. I love this.
Yep. Turn around.
Can you turn around for me, Chris? Spin. So there you go. Cute.
So they've got their cute little fashion backpacks. What's not ideal, sorry, about his backpack is that these straps are just
not padded.
Right. They're very thin in the padding, and they really can cut into the shoulders, and they wear down very quickly. So well-ventilated, can you take this off? Well-ventilated back pads and shoulder straps are ideal. Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
Look at this padding right here.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, for the back. Oh, yeah, for your shoulders, for your right back here. It doesn't feel painful now because there's nothing in it, right, Chris? But you carry a lot of stuff, too? Sometimes, yeah. Once you get a good lunch going, this thing can get up to 30 pounds, right?
And do you see what's going on with hers?
What's going on with Bella?
Her stuff is just stuck in this big sack because oftentimes these cute fashionable ones are just a giant sack.
Yes.
Sitting on your back. So all the equipment just sort of shifts in there and it's kind of poking out here. Is anything poking your back? No?
Not right now.
Not right now.
Okay.
But it's poking out here, so if there are more pockets, you could evenly disperse the weight so it doesn't hurt the child's back.
Excellent. Good advice, Dr. Wu. And thank you all for coming in. Duncan, have a great year. Junior year. Bella, you too. Okay. Want to turn around?
Turn around for the
and
camera.
Christopher, have a great school year, buddy. Don't carry too much. I always got my kids 2 backpacks, you know? Yeah, one, and they can carry, you know, alternate books and stuff. Once you get Duncan's age, you got a lot of books. All right, well, coming up next.